Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can manage the Quick Settings widget on your Android home screen. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes under the video, write comments after watching. And let's get started, friends. So, I'll show you from the very beginning what this video is going to be about in general. So, the Quick Settings widget is on Android at the top of the screen. So you need to swipe from the right side from top to bottom. That will take you to the Quick Settings widgets. Here they are. You'll probably have them less or more highlighted. And if you swipe down on them, you'll see a lot more of these quick settings that you have added to your Android device. But how can you manage them? You can add some more of them to yourself, or you can delete some of them. How do you do that? Well, for that you will need to edit them. To do this, you need to the top of the screen, usually on the right side, is either click on the three dots and then click Edit, or you'll have a pencil at the top of the screen. Also click on that or the word Edit. You'll just see to one of those options. Click. After that, friends, you'll have about the same window where you can add or alternatively delete some quick settings. In order to remove quick settings, you will just have to click on the minus next to some setting. Thus, as you can see, it will be immediately removed or deleted. If you scroll down a little bit, on the contrary, you can see the settings that you can add. And in order to do that, you'll need to, conversely, click on the plus sign next to that kind of sign. And as you can see, it will be added. Then, to fix the changes, you will need to either click Save or just the back arrow so that all your changes will be saved. This is how, friends, you will be able to manage the Quick Settings widget on your Android home screen. I really hope this video was helpful and useful to you, friends. Be sure to put your likes under this video, write comments, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.